Hi, my name is Daniel Bryon. I'm 18 years old and I live in the northern suburbs in Edgemead. I got into aviation through my dad. He always wanted to be a pilot, but he wasn't able to do it due to poor eyesight. My dad got me inspired to want to do something in the aviation industry and to be a pilot, and he used to take me to a lot of air shows when I was way younger. That's where I went to an air show and I met Fatima. She's the founder of the Sakikamba Foundation. Fatima was running a paper jet competition and I managed to come out first place and I won a flip in an aeroplane. Then many years later, her and I and my dad reconnected, and that's how she got me into the foundation now and the job at UAV Industries. So I'm an intern at UAV Industries, and some of the things that I do are quality assurance, and I do some aircraft familiarization with students as well in some flying and things. I also do some general administrative things for operations and for training. There's also a lot that I've learned from being in another perspective, being the customer and being the person inside the company, with all of the background things that go on, and it's taught me a lot about aviation and how businesses come together and that there's so much more behind what you see from the window. I've learned a lot also about businesses in terms of marketing and dealing with people, and well, not dealing with them, but socializing with people, having to meet a lot of new faces every day as well. So in about 5 years' time, I would like to have my private pilot license and be working on my commercial pilot license as well. I never thought I'd see myself working for a drone company, but it really has taught me so much and I'm enjoying it at the moment. There's so many new opportunities that will be coming up and I'm excited to see what the future holds. I'd also like to say a huge thank you to the Sakikamba Foundation and UAV Industries for giving me this opportunity and for allowing me to pursue my dream in aviation. I feel very privileged to be part of this team, and it's great working with the people that I'm working with. Everyone is so nice and easy to get along with, and it helps that we all share the same passion as well. I would like to also just encourage anybody who has a passion for aviation to just go for it and to never give up on your dream, because it will be worth it in the end.